Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Putri Dian Marini. I will present the result identify of the article. There are 5 components in the article, namely introduction, literature review, research method, research and discussion, and conclusion. The title of the article is Error Analysis of Class 7 Student in Solving Set Problems in View from Cognitive Style, written by Natasha Yusepa Dwi Utami, Sukirwan, and Yani Stiani, from Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University. The first introduction. Point 1. Burning issue. Error in solving set problems. 2. Research problem. The understanding of the material as well as the concept carried out by students can be seen from the result of the successful completion of the question answer. However, there are student error in solving problems in one of the set material. Students with low ability work on errors in all stages, including errors in understanding question, reading, skill and transformation, while students with medium or moderate ability have error in the reading stage. Besides, students with high ability can make skill and transformation errors. Point 3. Relevant literature. Nurul 2017 said above the difference in the cognitive style of FI and FD in solving problems, namely 1. Male student in the 7th grade of junior high school who were carried of wide cognitive FI could solve mathematical problem properly or completely. 2. In the 7th grade of junior high school, female students who are done with cognitive FI can solve math problems well but are less confusing. 3. Male students in the 7th grade of junior high school with the FD cognitive style can solve mathematical problems well but are less taught. Point 4. The aim of the research. This study aims to determine student error in solving set problems seen from student cognitive style. The second, literature review. Nurul 2017 said above the difference in the cognitive style of FI and FD in solving problems, namely 1. Male student in the 7th grade of junior high school who were carried of wide cognitive FI could solve mathematical problem properly or completely. 2. In the 7th grade of junior high school, female students who are done with cognitive FI can solve math problem well but are less confusing. 3. Male student in the 7th grade of junior high school with the FD cognitive style can solve mathematical problems well but are less taught. Cahyani and Sutriyono 2018, it was concluded that students with low abilities work on errors in all stages, including errors in understanding question, reading, skill and transformation, while in students with medium or moderate ability there were errors in the reading stage. In addition, students with high ability can make skill and transformation errors. The third, research method. Research method type of research is a descriptive study with a qualitative approach. Descriptive research is used to see and describe problems or facts that are happening that are expressed without any manipulation. Sugiono 2010. Data collection. Data collection techniques in this study use test and non-test techniques The test techniques is used to determine student cognitive style and is also carried out to identify student error in solving set question. The non-test techniques was carried out through an interview process with research subject to find out where the student error were in processing set question with the FOLIA step and documenting the entry research process and test result. Data analysis. Sampling was carried out by pervasive sampling technique, where pervasive sampling techniques was a sampling technique based on consideration of the objectives set by the researcher. Therefore, pervasive sampling did not pay attention to the principle of representativeness of the population. Berlian 2016. Respondents. This research was conducted at the R. Erofa Junior High School, Lebak, Banten. The research subjects were students of class 7 at Junior High School, the R. Erofa for the academic year 2020-2021. The data search. Data collection techniques used are documentation, test, and interview. 4. Research and discussion. Research and discussion. Based on the GAF test given to 23 grade 7 students of Junior High School Dar Erofa, there were 11 students with FI cognitive style and 12 students with FD cognitive style. Furthermore, 3 samples were selected with high, medium, and low score from each cognitive style. Then the 6 students were given a test in the form of set question. After completing the set of questions, an interview test is given regarding the completion step. The following will given the answer to of the student according to their cognitive style. The analysis the type of errors based on FOLIA theory. Student errors with field independent types in solving set problems. The subject selected as student with the FI type R, Dia subject 1, Jackie subject 2, and Marliana subject 3. Below the research describe the result of the tests that have been carried out. The following table describes student error in solving set problems for students of types FI. Table 1. Research FI student error in solving set problems. Based on the analysis of each indicator of the problem-solving step according to FOLIA, students with the FI type are as follows. Understanding the problem based on the result of the test answer, the set of subject 1, subject 2, and subject 3 has met the stage of understanding the problems. The method this statement is supported by one of the results of the interview and the result of the set of test questions that have been carried out with the following subject. Question: please explain what you understand in this method. Subject 2. The number of people in Lebak is 15. People who like Baduy honey are 25 and people who like black honey are 20. Planning for problem solving based on the result of student answer on the test question. The subject 1 and subject 2 subject set have met the indicator, but the subject 3 only one question that he understands. The subject can plan what to do with the information that is known in the problem. Figure 1. Result of subject 2. Implementing planning. Based on the result of the test answer to the set of subject 1 and subject 3, they have not fulfilled the stage of carrying out problem-solving planning and experience errors at this stage. This statement is supported by one of the results of the interview and the result of the set of test questions that have been carried out with the following subject. Question: are there no other plans to solve it? No, ma'am. I just used the exciting formula. Looking back, at this stage it can be seen from the result of interview with the subject. In the first to third question, the subject of subject 1 did the looking back stage, while the subject 2 subject did not go to the stage of looking back. But for the subject of subject 3, he checked again on the first question only. Fifth defendant, the type student, error in solving set problems. The subject selected as student with type FD were Sally subject 4, Rio subject 5, and Danu subject 6. Below, the researcher described the result of the tests that have been carried out. The following table describes student error in solving set problem for student of type FD. On the indicators in table 2, the result of the analysis of student with the type field defender are as follows. Understanding problem. Based on the result of the set of test question, it can be seen that student with FD cognitive style cannot write down what is known and asked in the question. Planning problem solving. At this stage, the subject 4, subject 5, and subject 6 have not fulfilled all the stage of problem solving. Since in question number 3, all students don't have the right answer. I'm implementing planning. Based on the result of the set of test question, it can be seen that all subjects didn't meet the exciting indicator. This statement is supported by the result of interview with the subject of subject 6. What step did you take to solve the problem? Figure 3. Test result of the subject 6, subject 6. Looking back, this stage can be known from the result of interview with the subject. In the first question until the third question, subject 4 and subject 5 didn't carry out the re-examination stage, while the subject of subject 6 checked again on the first question only. 5. Conclusion. From the result of research and discussion on research that has been done by researchers, it can be concluded that students with FI cognitive style can almost completely understand the problem in the problem and make a problem-solving plan. For the stage of implementing the problem-solving and looking back at the result of that are still too few do it, and for students with FD cognitive style, it can be seen from the overall answer to the test question. The collection and interview have not shown that students can understand the question. When students don't understand the problem in the problem, then even the next stage will not go well. Students with the FI active already understand the problem and makes plans well, and they just don't do the stage of carrying out the plan well. Therefore, students with the type more challenging questions should be given so that his abilities can be honed again. For student type FT can be given question continuously and given adequate assistance because this type of student is difficult to learn understand the problem in the problem. This is the end of my presentation and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.